Hi friends, today I am with EcoShow 10 and in this video we are going to talk about all the features what it is going to offer, what is inside the box and few more things what you haven't seen with the EcoShow 10. So let's start the video and check out what is the box content first. So talking about the box content, first thing I will let you know that the EcoShow 10 always will require the AC power to run and also internet. This comes with the 10-inch display. This is a 10-inch HD display. We also get a charger. This is the charging adapter and the adapter will be there. You can pause the video and check the adapter rating too. Inside the box there is some paperwork which definitely you can see the paperwork are there, and also there is the EcoShow 10 which is boxed separately. Now I have to put some effort and take out the EcoShow 10. It is little bit heavy. We also get some paperwork which definitely we will going to discuss about it. Now here's the paperwork which you can see. It will also tell you where you can put it, what are the right positions to put it, how much it will rotate, and everything is given in detail. And also in the picture there is also a user guide which will let you know what are the functions of that. So I will definitely recommend you to check all these and get information before using it. Now talking about this, it comes with the rotating screen with a manual tilt. You can tilt the display if you want. It comes with a 10-inch SD touchscreen with adaptive color. It also has a 13 megapixel camera which is a built-in. Here you can see it comes with the woofer and the two tweeters inside it. You need the power adapter to plug in like this, and once it is done you just put it. It comes with the Zigbee Smart Home Hub. It also comes with the Bluetooth support. It also supports hands-free Alexa. It comes with the microphone and camera on-off button. First you need to connect it with your Wi-Fi connection. It is very easy. Just it will take some time to get the setup done. Once it is done, it will ask you to set up the language which is your preferred. Currently I am showing you English and Hindi together. It will ask for the your Wi-Fi setup. Just enter the password in that. Once you input the password, it will fetch the registration. You have to put the email ID of phone number and password with which your Amazon account is registered. So I will definitely request you to put that also. Be little patient to install. This is the initial first setup, so it will take some time to do that. Once it is done, here you can see it is showing it. You also need to enter the area to set the time. And it will also ask you to enter the address in which room you are using, bedroom or living room. You can pick that also. You can play with your Amazon Prime Music. You can play Amazon Prime Video, JioSaavn. There is also Sanjeev Kapoor videos which you can check it out. Wipro, Chuchu TV, Hungama TV, and also Netflix, YouTube. YouTube will be in the browser. It will ask you which kind of wallpapers you would like to see. You just enter them. You have to wait it for some time, and here you will see the device is updated and ready to play. So it will take some time. I already told you, be little patient. For initial setup, it will also check how much motion setup you want. There are 3 profiles for that. This is basically to determine that the motion of the EcoShow 10 can be easily done or not. It is near the empty space, or it is near the wall, or it is near the corner. So this will determine its motion, and I definitely recommend you to see that before placing it, because it may obstruct with some interference. It may also get stuck, or it may get any accidental damage. So better check out how much space you have where it can rotate successfully. If you can't do that, if you are placing it in a corner or somewhere, just check out that it can move freely or not, and also determine with that the radius it can cover with the same distance. So this is about the motion. You can also switch off the motion if you don't want to put it on and you don't want to get it tracked. Now how the tracking works, I will definitely show you that part also. So for the tracking, here you can see I'm just moving, and with me the EcoShow 10 is also moving. The screen is moving with me, which is definitely a good feature if you are cooking or doing something and you want to get the continuous checkout from your display. If you talk about the design, it comes with the 1 woofer and 2 tweeters at the back. It also has the mute button. It has a volume plus and minus button, and you can also switch off the camera using the shutter button. Now for tilting your display, you have to do that manually. You can't do that by just giving commands. Now coming to some of the commands, let's check out a few commands using this. Alexa, what is the news for the day?
Vipin, here's your news. From India Today.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, can you tell me that today I have to take an umbrella or not?
It might rain in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh today. There's a 51% chance at 3 pm.
Now talking about the settings, it is very easy to do. You have to just swipe up from, and here you can see the home button. There is settings and you can change the brightness. You can also switch off the motion. Going to the first setting, there is a Bluetooth devices if anyone is connected. If you want to switch or change the network, you can do that. You can change the brightness. It has adaptive brightness, sunrise effect, even the adaptive color. So this is the three settings which you get in the display and the brightness. Now going to back, there is motion. If you go to the motion inside, there is an option where you allow the Echo Show to automatically move with you and when you are speaking, and you can watch the video and check out the video. Even there is a motion preference during all the activities, during selected activities, or on request it will start moving. So this is also a great feature what you are getting. Even the device mapping and idle position, which we have already done, you can do that later on also, so it is not restricted to the first time setup only. If you go to the clock and photo display can be done from Facebook, Alexa's own photo album, and also it has night mode, auto sleep. It gives you an option of 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock. If you want to have your Facebook pictures to be displayed, you can do that also. So this is a good thing, a good feature what you are getting with the Echo Show 10. If we go back, here we are getting a home content. If we go to inside the home content, it will have the calendar events, drop in, final scores, even helpful hints during the COVID-19, notifications, recently played music, reminders, skills, trending topics, upcoming games, and much more. You can also switch off if you don't want to. Even you can rotate continuously. You can stop that also. If you go to the home content, you also get sound, and inside the sounds you can change the audio noise, and you can even change the equalizer. You can change the alarm. You can end request or start request. You can do that. You also get a do not disturb. Now coming to the camera, you have a home monitoring, enable access to the home camera. Even you can see I'm just putting up a switch where camera will be off. There is a video delay and there is a audio alert too if your camera is switched off. So if you go to the communication, here you see there is an incoming call communication, there is a video call provider. You can do that with Zoom. You have audio and camera access and also storage at the same time. I'm just going back and later in the last there is a restricted access and there is Alexa preferences. In the restricted access you can have movie trailers, web browsers, web video searches, and video providers. This can be switched off and you can restrict them. Now there is Alexa preferences for calendar and photos. What kind of photo slideshow should be there, and in the calendar also, if you have a multiple account signed up, you can change them, and whichever calendar you want to access, you can check it out that too. Things to try is basically those who are using this Echo device for the first time and don't know what kind of commands they can do, they can definitely go and try this out. There are few things to try out. Now there is also home option. If you are stuck somewhere, just press the home in the above screen and you are back to the main screen. So right now I will show you, just press the home button and you are good to go. Now talking about the comparison of the Echo Show 10, Echo Show 8 and Echo Show 5, here you can see the Echo Show 10 is little bit bigger in size. It is much premium and definitely there is a price difference also. This is a Echo Show 5. If you compare, it is definitely twice a times bigger screen display. If you go to your Alexa app, you press the drop in. Once you press the drop in, you can directly call through your Echo Show 10 and you can do a video call. It will take some time, just hold on for a few seconds, and here you can see the video is connected and right now you can see me on both the screens. Currently I haven't switched off the shutter for the Echo Show 10. I have to do that. Once I do, you can see both the pictures taken from the EcoShow 10 and also from my phone. And the EcoShow 10 comes with the 13 megapixel camera, and you can see the clarity for the same. If you go the in-app consists you with the mute function. It also has a video off function. You can also add with coming with the full screen view. You can have a split screen kind of view. So this is also a good thing that you can see. After that, you can bring the screen which is already hidden. You can switch off the video also by just pressing the video off button. Here you can see in the phone also you can see the video is already off. So you can do that simultaneously both from your phone and also from the EcoShow 10. For the mobile phone app, it gives you a flexibility to use the rear camera as well as the front camera, whichever you want to use. Currently I am switching to the front and the rear. As you can see, it is very easy, and you can end the call also. Let's check out few commands using this on EcoShow 10.
अमित जी, टेम्परेचर बताइए।
इस समय बिलासपुर छत्तीसगढ़ में तापमान 27 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। आज रात न्यूनतम तापमान 24 डिग्री होने की संभावना है।
अमित जी, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम डूइंग फाइन, थैंक यू।
We already made a dedicated video to how to interact with Amit ji using the Alexa device. You can check out that video. It will be linked in the letter section. And the price of the EcoShow 10 is 24,999. It is around 25,000. It will be available only through Amazon. And this is all about in this video. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.